Okay guys, I'm going to attempt to make a Suncatcher with this 99-cent Goodwill frame. This also from the Goodwill. It was $2.99. Actually, I think I got it half price that day. But even if it was full price of $4, and then it's going to have to come up with some kind of a hanger. And I'm also going to use silicone. So let's get started. Okay, for mine, this little picture is printed on here, so I'm going to use this back for the inside. But my backing needs to go over the edge of this, if you can see what I'm saying, so that it will hold it in. So I'm going to trace around this and then cut a little bit inside of it with my box cutter. And I'll rather cut not enough than too much. Once I go too much, I won't have enough to hold the glass. But you know what, guys? It won't really matter because I can glue the glass to this edge of the frame. So you'll have to work with whatever frame you have. I had thought about using this bigger frame. With this in the middle, but stretched out. But this is a really crappy little cheesy frame. So I opted for this frame instead. We'll see how it goes. But they have all kinds of little pretty picture frames at the Goodwill. Some, you know, they're outdated. You could bring them home, give them a spray of paint. I thought about painting this one white to go with that, but I'm going to leave it with this fake wood look. All right, let's see how this comes out. Not bad. I still got to trim some off. Get those ugly ducks out of here. Somebody probably loves those ducks. I personally do not. And by the way, these, it's called Jennifer's Mosaics. I haven't looked online, but I'm assuming you probably can still get these online. I don't know how to tell the date from the Hobby Lobby sticker. I don't know if this is from April of 2010. I'm not sure. But you may already have some mosaic pieces. I'm really wanting to get into mosaics and make some for my yard. I just have not gotten to it. If you could see my coffee table right now, I'm not going to show you because it looks like a disaster. I have stacks of crafts that I want to do, and I have stuff stacked here on the island. And there just aren't enough hours in the day. Okay, so I got my glass in. I've got it sprayed with my frosted glass. And I can't say that I did it like this on purpose. I think it wasn't shook up good, and so it got thicker in some places, but it has more of a stained glass look the way they actually do. So I like it. So I put the sprayed part on the back, so we have smooth glass on the front. And I think I'm not, wait, I gotta let Jeffrey in. So I think I'm not even gonna mess with the silicone because I have this big tube and I have to, you know, mess with it. I'm gonna stick with my favorite. Guys, I've been using this for everything. It's the super glue gel, and you can get it in the 2 and 3 packs at the dollar store. Now, last time I went to my local dollar store, they didn't have it, but the next town over did have it. But you can always get it on Amazon. I'll put the link. And I'll put the links for the mosaics also in the description. So, here we go. Let's try this. If I don't glue myself together first. Now, some of these pieces are going to be too big. They're not going to fit inside of this frame. One piece is already broken, so that might be helpful. But I don't have the tile nippers. I have these jewelry pliers. Well, I think they're actually just wire cutters that I'm hoping will do the trick. This is one reason I haven't started mosaics, because you need a lot of tools and grout and tile. I have a bunch of dishes I wanted to use. See, it's going to fill it up pretty nicely. Of course, I'm going to get it to fit down inside. Actually, because I'm kind of out there, I like stuff that is totally unexpected. That's really cute like that. You could break these and then have them so they look like they're bent. Wow. Really tempted, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to try to make a flower fit inside of this frame. See, if I had the actual tools, I could cut down this center. That would shrink everything in. Anyway, I don't have the tools for that. So I'm going to center my center, and then start adding whichever pieces fit the best. So you see, all these smaller pieces should fit in here fine. It's these long pieces that would need to be broken, but I might have enough of these littler ones. And I'm thinking, which is dangerous, because I don't know enough about mosaics. But I'm thinking you could actually use a picture frame to do a mosaic. Leave space in between for the grout. So I'm going to go glue all my pieces, and then I'll show you what I've got. Okay, I came back because I wanted to show y'all that, yes, these little cutters do actually work to nip off the tips. I did it on this one, and let me show you how simple it is. Well, that one doesn't need it. Let's try this big fatty. This big fatty right here. So it needs to get trimmed about right there. Look at that. And some more. Also, my second choice, I had some nippers that I keep forgetting my microphone. For my second choice, I had these things that I'd gotten for cutting some lattice a couple years ago, and they've ended up being handy for cutting all kinds of stuff. And third choice, I was going to use my old rusted pliers and see if I could cut it with that. But these little things are working, so. Okay guys, here it is. I'm not going to put a hanger on mine because I'm just going to set it on the window ledge in one of my windows. So this is what we've got. Also, for another idea, you know these little gems you get, they're flat on the back. You could get them at the Dollar Tree. You could make some kind of a mosaic design with these on a picture frame. They come in different colors. I know they have blue and they have these white. I'm not sure what other colors, but you could use a bigger frame and make some kind of a mosaic. Put a little hanger on it, hang it up in your window. So I hope y'all have fun with it. It's just an idea for inspiration, and hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.